Hello all and welcome to another video. In this video we shall learn to create a basic wireless LAN on WLC, which is wireless LAN controller, and we shall also enable it and authenticate our client with this wireless host. So let's get started and see how this works. So in this topology we have a wireless host which is not connected to the lightweight access point, and a lightweight access point is connected to 3560 latency switch, and this switch is further connected to wireless LAN 1, and another port we have connected admin PC for the administration of this wireless LAN. So further this switch is connected with the router, and the router is further connected to the server. So what we will do is to configure wireless LAN on this WLC, and authenticate and enable the wireless profile, and configure some basic security, which is WPA2 PSK, and authenticate the wireless host using that key. So in order to configure WLC, we need to go to the admin PC. So click on the admin PC and navigate to desktop and open up the web browser. So we need to have the IP address of WLC. So click on WLC1 and go to config and click on management. Over here you will find the IP version 4 address, which is 192.168.200.254. Copy the address and go to admin PC. Type in https:// and paste the address of wireless LAN, and you will be presented with the welcome page of wireless LAN controller. So we are now presented with the welcome page of wireless LAN controller. Click on this login button and you will be presented with the authentication dialog box. So type in the username, which is admin, and the password is Cisco123. So click on enter or click on login. So now we have successfully logged into the web management of wireless LAN controller. So over here you can see that we have a very nice looking wireless LAN interface. So this green port shows that it is connected, and the red ports are down, which are not currently in use. And over here we have a controller summary, which says that management IP address, software version, and system name, uptime, system time, and so many details is available over here. So what we are interested in, scroll down until you see that access point summary, and over here we can see all the access points which are connected to this wireless LAN controller. So currently we have only one wireless LAN currently we have only one access point, which is this one, lightweight access point, and you can verify that by clicking on this details button. As you can see that lab 1 is currently connected with this wireless LAN controller. So the IP address of this access point is 192.168.200.240, and there are so many other details. If you scroll right, and you will find speed, Ethernet, and so many, a number of clients associated with this access point, and so many details. So what we need to do now is go back to wireless LANs and navigate to wireless LANs and create a new profile by clicking on this go button, and you will find this page which says new WLAN and profile name. For the profile name we shall enter, for example, floor 2 employees, and next is the SSID. So this SSID shall be available on the client's machine, where they can click on the name of the SSID or name of the network and connect to that network. So the network name shall be SSID-5, and you can select the ID to anything. I will select to 5 and click on save. Oh, sorry, apply. So now we have created a profile which is flow to employees, and SSID is SSID-5. Notice that currently its status is not enabled, so we need to click on this checkbox to make sure that it is enabled. And further we shall change the interface for this wireless LAN, which is WLAN 5. And next we shall navigate to the advanced section of this profile and scroll down until you see Flex Connect local switching, which is currently disabled. Click on enabled, and further Flex Connect local auth, which is currently disabled. We need to enable it as well. So click on apply to save the configuration. So now our profile is created, wireless profile is created and enabled, and we need to make sure that it is not open. It is using WPA2 PSK security. For that purpose we need to go to security tab, and over here you can see it is currently not secured. So let's click on this drop down menu and choose WPA plus WPA2 security. So once you click on it, you will find a couple of more options available below. So what we will choose that WPA2 policy is enabled. We will not check WPA policy as it is not more secure. So once you click on WPA2 policy, further more options are available, which are encryption and authentication key management. So for the encryption, by default AES is selected. We'll make sure you can use TKIP. I will use AES for this lab. And next is the authentication key management. We will not be using 802.1x, which we will leave for another video. And we shall check this box which says PSK, appreciate key. We shall enable this feature, and over here we shall enter the key for our Wi-Fi networks. I will use Cisco 123 as our key for Wi-Fi password and click on apply. So it is saying that changing WLAN parameters while it's enabled will cause the WLAN to be momentarily disabled and thus may result in loss of connectivity for some clients. Press OK to continue. I am OK with it, and I will click on OK, and it will now save our configuration. So our task on the wireless LAN controller has been completed. Now I shall close this window and navigate to the wireless host and navigate to the desktop tab and click on wireless PC wireless. Currently you can see that it is not connected to this lightweight access point, so no association with access point, and adapter is inactive. So to connect this laptop to the lightweight access point, we need to click on this connect button, and you will see SSID over here. So you can see that SSID-5 is now available on this laptop. So I will click on connect and type in the password, which is Cisco 123, and click on connect. And now you can see that adapter is active and host is connected to the lightweight access point, and authentication is being handled by this WLC controller. And if I go back to link information, and you will see that you have successfully connected to the access point, and if I click on more information, you will get wireless network status, which says radio band, network name, which is SSID-5, infrastructure mode, and security is WPA2 Purcell, and adapter is currently in active state. So if I close this button and navigate to command prompt and try to ping this server address, which is currently, so let's find out the IP address of this server. So click on config and go to fast ethernet 0, you will see that the IP address is statically configured, which is 172.31.1.254. Copy the address and go back to the wireless host and try to ping the server from our wireless client. So I will paste the address of server and hit enter. If everything is working fine, it should be able to reach the server. So yes, you can see that the server is now responding fine. First time out was due to the ARP resolution process, and if we hit up arrow and press enter again, you will receive 4 out of 4 packets. So that's it. In this lab we have successfully created a wireless profile on WLC, secured it with WPA2 PSK security, and finally we have connected the wireless host and verified the connectivity from the wireless host to the server. I hope this video has been informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.